Hey everyone, welcome back to Web Dev Insider. In today's video, we're going to clone an awesome real-time messaging group chat that's already available on GitHub. We'll be using React for the front end, but the real focus will be on working with AppWrite for the backend to handle real-time messaging, user authentication, and data management. If you've ever wanted to learn how to work with AppWrite in a real-world project, this is the perfect opportunity. So, grab your code editor and let's jump into the setup and get this chat app running. So, imagine having a fully functional group chat platform, just like your favorite messaging apps. You can chat with friends, create group conversations, send media, and enjoy real-time messaging. But here's where it gets interesting. You have full control over what you send. We've all been there sending a message too fast and then instantly regretting it. Well, on this site, you can delete messages after sending them, and they disappear completely. Unlike some apps that leave a message deleted notice, here, it's as if the message never existed. Clean, smooth, and stress-free. Using the platform is super simple. 1. Sign up and create your chat group. 2. Start messaging like normal. 3. If you change your mind about a message, just delete it. Gone, no traces left. This is perfect for group discussions, or just avoiding those awkward moments. Whether it's fixing a mistake, or removing something you shouldn't have said, this feature puts you in control. Now, to make this all happen, we're using AppWrite, an open-source backend platform that helps us handle real-time databases, authentication, and cloud functions. It's perfect for building apps like this because it's fast, flexible, and super developer-friendly. AppWrite manages our user authentication, so only registered users can chat. We store messages in AppWrite's real-time database, allowing instant updates in the group chat. When you delete a message, AppWrite removes it from the database, completely wiping it out. Just clean and smooth messaging. This kind of setup is perfect for privacy-focused chats. Whether it's fixing a typo or taking back something you didn't mean to say, this feature puts you in control. And with AppWrite handling the backend, everything runs lightning fast. The code editor we will be using is VS Code. It's a powerful and lightweight editor with built-in support for multiple programming languages, extensions, and debugging tools. With VS Code, we can write, test, and debug our code efficiently while integrating seamlessly with our backend services. Let's get started. To create a new folder in VS Code, follow these steps. Open VS Code. Click on File, then select Open Folder, and choose or create a new folder. Alternatively, in the Explorer panel, right-click and select New Folder to create one inside your project. This helps keep your project organized and makes file management easier. So in your VS Code, head over to the view bar, then select Terminal once it is opened completely. Then open any browser, and head over to the GitHub link provided in the video description. Then head over to code and copy the HTTPS link. Then come back to your VS Code terminal. In the terminal, type git clone, and then paste the HTTP link and hit enter so that you can clone the project. Congratulations, you have successfully cloned the project with no error. So in your terminal, navigate to the folder, then run the installation command, which is going to be npm install. It's going to take a few mins for it to install completely. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Node Package Manager with no error, which is a good sign of progression. So in your terminal, run the command npm start. But if you face any errors like I did, then run the second command, npm run dev, which is going to provide the local host, copy the link, and run it in your browser. Once again, congratulations for reaching this stage, means that everything is going smoothly. Now is time to implement the full functionality of the real-time group chat with the backend, which is AppWrite. So let's set up our backend. So head over to https://cloud.appwrite.io/. The link will be provided in the description below. All you need to do is to create an account with Gmail or with GitHub, anyone that is suitable for you. So click on Create Project to create new project. So in the details, give the project a name, and then click Next, select your region, and click the Create button. So once it has been successfully created, we need to add a platform. To add a platform, click on the web platform. In the hostname registration, input the name and the hostname. Click on the Next button. Click Next button, click the Next button. Then you can now go to the dashboard. So head back to VS Code. In the project file, navigate to the source folder, and then click on the AppWrite config.js. So this is where we are going to input our backend's ideas from AppWrite. So do exactly what I did so that there won't be a mistake in the backend.